COVID Community Connector is a smart mobile application which uses real-time connection to maintain social distancing and connecting within the community at the same time. COVID Community Connector helps the users to protect their loved ones, protect themselves, protect their community by simply creating their account in the application. After the account has been created, user can log in by entering their mobile number and passcode. User will then land on a default map view page where they will get the real-time number of mild, severe, and tested positive cases in the 500-meter circle of their registered postcode as a pinpoint. The user's postcode will be represented by a blue pinpoint if they have no symptoms. Users can also get the number of COVID-19 cases in any area by simply entering the postcode in the tab Postcode-wise Search for COVID-19 cases. This will give them the number of mild, severe, and positive cases in the 500-meter circle of the entered postcode. The search feature can help the user to plan their journey, avoiding the hot zones. If the user entered the wrong postcode, an invalid postcode message will pop up. Can raise a help request by filling in the required information. Once the user raises a help request, all the other users in the 500-meter circle will get the notification. Other users can then accept the request to help. When someone accepts a help request, the information will be shared between the users only after the consent has been received from the user raising the request and the one who accepted it. Users can see all the help requests raised by them under the tab My Request. All help requests accepted will be under the tab Accepted by Me, and requests raised by other users within the 500-meter circle would be under Seeking Help. Statistics tab will give users updated number of total cases and deaths in the United Kingdom till date. It will also give the number of cases and deaths for that particular day. Precautions tab will give the guidelines to avoid getting infected with COVID-19, like avoiding crowded places, washing hands regularly, covering nose and mouth, etc. Profile tab. Users can change their postcode and the passcode on the Profile tab, just in case they change the address or forget the passcode to log in. Users to log their symptoms every morning when they log in. If the user has no symptoms, the application will take the user to the Default Around Me page. If the user has symptoms, they will log their symptoms by clicking on Log Symptoms and selecting the box, Are you tested positive for COVID-19? and selecting the appropriate symptoms.